which of these chemical equations support the law of conservation of mass? Now we have two major equations here. The first is zinc reacting with HCl to give us zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. And the second equation we have is methane, that's a methane gas, CH4, plus oxygen to give us carbon dioxide and water. So the question is, which of these equations, obeys or supports the law of conservation of matter or mass? And don't forget what the law says. The law states that in a chemical reaction, there's no way matter can be created or destroyed. It's not possible. So probably to summarize that, it was explained that by the time we get the total relative molecular mass of the reactant, it's going to be the same thing as the total relative molecular mass of the product. So it means matter is not being created and matter is not being destroyed, regardless of the kind of product we get. So let's see quickly which of these equations obeys or supports the law of conservation of mass. So as you can see, the zinc, one atom of zinc, one atom of hydrogen here, one atom of chlorine. Here, one atom of zinc, two atoms of chlorine, and two atoms of hydrogen. Now, as you can see, for the fact that zinc here is one, that's fine, it's balanced. Hydrogen here is one, hydrogen here is two, then it's not balanced. Chlorine here is one, chlorine here is two, then it's not balanced. As you can see. For the fact that we have this imbalance in the reactant and the product side, it means this does not support the law of conservation of mass. Now, how do we get to know that? How we get to know that is that by the time we get the relative molecular mass of the whole reactant, and we also get the relative molecular mass of the whole product, we're going to have a kind of disparity. They won't be the same thing. They're going to have the higher result on the product that's relative molecular mass than what we have here on the reactant side. So there's no way this very equation obeys the law of conservation of mass. Why? Because the equation is not balanced. As simple as that. So let's look at the second equation. CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 being given, and two molecules of water. So carbon here is one, carbon here is one. Hydrogen is four atoms. Hydrogen here is four atoms. 2 times 2 is 4. Now oxygen here is four atoms. Oxygen here is two atoms of oxygen on this side, on the carbon dioxide side, and also two here. So altogether, we have a balanced chemical equation here. So this obeys the law of conservation of mass. Now we can do the calculation quickly to see if you are right. Don't forget carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit, oxygen is 16. So let's quickly do the math. So carbon is one atom, so that's 1 times 12.